Today we're diving into lab compliance, where a single signature means absolutely everything.
So let's start with the one rule that you absolutely cannot break in pharma. And here it is. This isn't just a saying. It's the very foundation of patient safety. So why the big deal about every single entry? Let's follow a new analyst and see. See, a missing data point isn't just a small mistake. It can get an entire batch rejected. So how do you get it right every time? Well, that's where a framework called ALCOA Plus comes in. Let's start with the 5 core principles. Think of them as the pillars of data integrity. And the plus adds 4 more layers, making sure data is complete, consistent, and always available. The QA officer points to an entry. Who did this? That's our first principle, attributable. This tells us exactly who did what and when. No confusion. That's what auditors look for. Next up, legible. If you can't read it, it might as well not even be there. Then, contemporaneous. You can't just write it down later. That's a huge risk for errors. Okay, what about the original printout? Can you just copy the data and toss it? Nope. That original record is the primary evidence. You have to keep it. But hey, people make mistakes, right? So what happens when our analyst makes one? The key is never hide the mistake. The original entry has to stay visible. That's accuracy. All right, so we've got the principles. Now let's see them in action from start to finish. The journey of a batch starts right here, the second the raw materials come in the door. Then, in manufacturing, every single step gets recorded in the batch manufacturing record, or BMR. And finally, quality testing. This result is right where it needs to be, well within the limits. But, things don't always go to plan. What if something unexpected happens? That's when you file a deviation. It's a formal record of what happened and its impact. So here are the golden rules. Following ALCOA Plus is really all about protecting patient safety. So next time you're in the lab, ask yourself, is my next signature completely audit-proof?